collection. So this is a much awaited video. I have got lot of requests and messages for doing this video of craft room tour. Though I don't have a very luxurious kind of a craft room, it's nice, simple, cozy, but it's having minimal stuffs, minimal supplies and storage space. It's not very, it's not full of white colors. Generally, we when we search about the craft rooms, we get nice beautiful rooms with white colors and white cabinets, and everything is white, and I just love it. But I don't have much of white except this cloth and this throw. This is one of my favorite throw. These things are only white, there is nothing else white in this room. So I am a boho lover, I am a very colorful person, so this room is full of colors. I have decorated this room from scratch, so I am very, very close to every little thing, because I spend a lot of time in this room. And there is one thing I love about this room, it's full of light, because I have this big French window in front of me, and we get very good natural light in this room. So I just love this fact, because whenever I shoot or whenever I create something, I want full light in the room. So this is the reason why this room is very, very close to my heart, and I spend a lot of time over here. Also, initially I was not very much interested in giving this room tour, because as I've told you, it was not well managed and well organized. I spent few days organizing and cleaning this space, and making it worth this video. So but then I got a lot of messages. I kept getting messages, and then I decided to give it a try, and here I am ready to give you the craft room tour, and I hope you like it. I hope you comment, you write down your comments, and share your tips also if you want. And if you have any idea about storing the supplies in a better way, you can suggest me. And I can say that you're going to love this room, because it's very, very cozy, and it's full of colors, as I've told you. Okay, so let me give you the walkthrough. Without much ado, I'm going to swap the camera, and you're going to see the room. We are actually in the room, but we'll start from the door now. So I'm going to switch off this video, and then we will go inside the room. Okay, so as soon as you'll enter in this room, you're going to see this my tripod, and this is the space. So this is a very cozy floor sitting arrangement, and I just love this space, because whenever I get tired of sitting on the chair for a long time, usually when we work, we kept on sitting for a long time. So then I prefer to come here and sit here. And even when I'm not crafting also, I generally spend my time sitting here. Sometimes I sleep also here. And those who know me very closely, they know that I love fragrance and candles, and all these stuff. So I always have candles and lamps and fragrances in my room, in all my rooms actually. And I love reading also. So this is some of my favorite collection by Rupi Kaur. Recently I have started reading Rupi Kaur, so I just love her work. And most of the time, whichever book I am reading, I used to keep it here. And so as soon as you will move on to this side, I have utilized this space, this side, by hanging some embellishments, some handmade embellishments. So they are all new packets, and I have kept it here. So here you can see a lot of new packets are there. Some baby embellishments, some more embellishments. Here is the chipboard embellishments by Graphic 45, and some more are there. Some rub-ons are there, some more stickers. These are 3D sentiments. So I kept it here, and in this clip I have hanged all the Mudra chipboards, the chipzip by Mudra. So I have kept it in some other boxes also, but जितना भी यहाँ पे आ जा रहा था, I have hanged it here, so you can see some of them. And this is not by Mudra, I think this is by Vaisinenka. Yes, it is. Okay, so this is how I have utilized this space for keeping the embellishments, the new packets. Now moving on to this side, so I'll start from the top. So you can see this is the beautiful pink frame saying explore, dream, discover. And I keep all these things over here because it keeps me motivated. And this is a beautiful lamp. I'll post some pictures of night time when I switch on this lamp. It looks beautiful. And now this is the first basket. So the first basket is having all the beautiful sequences by Dress My Craft. So you can see these sequences by Dress My Craft. Some are pearls also. These are flower pearls. This is sequence. Some rainbow glitter, some white pearls. So all the these things, all these glittery things in this box I kept. And there are some of my projects, some of my old projects. I generally make and sell things, but these are the some I have made and they are with me. And this is from one of my class. This is also from one of my class. And this is my recent project with Believe in Magic Papers by Bob and Betty. Now coming back to the second one, I have kept flowers in this, so you can see these are all new packets. So these are the flowers, and love this one also. And here are some loose flowers and pollens and leaves. Oops. Okay, some tulips in pink and yellow color. So these are all loose flowers. Okay, so moving on to these two boxes, it has, I'm not going to open it because a lot of things are kept over here. So these are having ribbons in it. So I kept ribbons and laces in these two boxes. I got this from Shimla, I think. It's a bamboo box. Now moving on, so this was one of the trophy that we have got by Crafters Corner by Shalini Di. And now this is this beautiful Victorian box that Bullen has taught in one of her class in Crafty Feast. And then moving on to this basket, this was actually a carton, and I just put this paper, decorative paper, on top of it. It is actually an embossed paper. So you can see this is the embossed paper in beautiful green and golden. So I wrapped this paper on the box, and I am using it for keeping my cardstock. So all the colored cardstock, so you can see all the colored cardstock. This is the lavender color, this purple, and some brown, pink, wine color. This is the wine cardstock. So I have kept all my, this is the turquoise, my one of my favorite color. This is the cream color. Okay, so I have kept my cardstocks in 12x12 size on this side and A4 size on this side. Okay, and I have also, I don't do decoupage, but I have some beautiful decoupage papers by Bob and Betty. These are the papers that we generally get in our DT kit. Some vellum papers, some more decoupage papers. Oh, by mistake I have kept an stencil here. So okay, and this packet is also having decoupage tissues. All right, so moving on, so coming back to this position again and moving on to the second space. Okay, so if I'll see, okay, if I show you this, It is having all the new packets of flowers. So let me take it to my table and show it to you. So it has all the new packet of flowers. So you can see these beautiful burlap flowers, some more flowers. Okay, so a lot of new packets are kept over here in this basket, and some more flowers like this are kept over here. So this is my box of flowers which are new and not used. Okay, now this is the second box, and let me show you. I have kept some handmade tags and embellishments, some cards in it, um, like this, but it has some of this Prima domes, and there's one more. It is from some other brand, I don't remember the name, and some more stuff. And then you can see more and more chip zip. Okay, so all the leftover chippies which I was not able to hang, that's on that place, I kept in this basket, and then I am keeping all these stuffs also. Okay, now let me show you what is there in this box. So this box is having the dice packet. So you all have seen the video of how I have created these envelopes for storing the dice. So let me show you, and if you have not seen the video, you can go to my YouTube channel. You can see this is in recent videos. So this is how I have kept my dice, and let me just keep it. So this is the box where I have kept my dies, and I have kept some leftover dies in some other box. So this is the second box, and it has all the embellishment things, all the packets that are used and kept here. Okay, you can see all them. Some new packets are there, some old packets are there. So all the embellishments I have kept in here. Okay, so this is how it goes. I have to order some more craft supplies, but due to lockdown I am not able to purchase. I have to purchase few things. Okay, so this is the third box. It has all the stamps in it. Okay, and now we'll come to this section. I'll just show you. It has all the 6x6 papers, some albums by Prima, and some papers, some 6x6 papers are there. This is by Mintaze, Pepericious, Prima, Heaven Sent, and some more papers are there, and some 8x8, and it is let me show you. I just purchased this in a sale by Crafters Corner. So these are having beautiful glossy papers. Now this is the basket which is having all my punches and tapes and 3D tapes. Okay, and this is one small basket, you can see, which has all the glue in it. Now if you'll move on to this side, so let me show you this side. So you'll come to this side. Here I have stored all my white and off-white colored cardstocks, black cardstocks, and coffee brown cardstocks. Okay, and this is my collection of papers. So let me just show you. So this is these are all the pattern papers. I'm going to show you some, can't show you all. So these are some of my pamphlets that I keep. These are from my classes. Okay, Charming Baby Girl class, and then some more I have. Okay, so these are some motif sheets, okay, by Dress My Craft. Then paper pack by Prima, Then Graphic 45, if you can see here, I'm just zooming in so you can see now. So Graphic 45, then by Mintaze again, Jubilee Nutting, then again Mintaze, then Stamperia, Dress My Craft, Bob and Betty. Then this is again, I think this is by, let me see, I don't remember which company is this. This is again Stamperia. Oh god, it's too heavy. This is DCWV V Collection. This is by DCWV, the Magnolia Way, and so many are there. I cannot lift it up now, it's very heavy. So this is where I store my patent papers, and you can see these boxes over here. They are all having the decoupage sheets in it. Decoupage sheets are there. So this one is by Bob and Betty. So let me show you this one. It's a beautiful decoupage sheet. All right. So now moving to this side, this basket is having all my mixed media stuffs. I don't do a lot of mixed media, but I have some sprays and some Cadence product here, and some texture paste, gesso, decoupage glue, and some sprays by Lindy's, and I think this is by Cosmic Shimmer. Okay, so this is my collection of archival inks. So I have all these colors, but they are all new packs. I haven't used it much. Some only I have used. I don't do flower making a lot, but I have collected some of these, and these are my distress inks and distress oxide. Okay, and these are two baskets which have fabric pen, some sketch pens, my brushes, and pencils. Now if we'll come to this basket is having all the basic tools I keep in this, because I want these items to be handy whenever I work, like the scissors or the magnets, velcro, and some brads, eyelets, the ink applicator. So this is what I want. And there is one more basket which has some more tools in it, which I hardly use, so I kept it in this basket. And then there is this one more box actually. So in this box, this is one box in which I have kept some fabric, and these are all the tiny embellishments, the fashion accessories, the bubblegum accessories, and all the little tiny cute embellishments are kept in this box. All right, so let me take it there. And if we'll come to this section, it has some journaling books and some art journals, which are new actually. And these are the collection of my loose papers. Okay, so this is all the loose papers, papers which are not new. I have used some of the sheets, and here you can see I have stored the 4 million sheets. The 4 million sheets are kept over here. Now here you can see these boxes are having all the small tiny stuffs. Some are having paint, some are having small distress inks, because initially when I started purchasing, I used to buy small boxes, so they are all kept here, all the things which are hardly used by me. And these are the two MDF boxes which I have purchased for doing the decoupage. And inside these boxes there are some more MDF stuffs. I'm not going to open it. And then here you can see this box. I love these kind of boxes. They are foldable and easy to move. So All the extra items I used to keep in these boxes, okay, like loose flowers, some new packets which I cannot store, which for which I don't have space to store, some fabrics because one of the boxes having only the fabrics in it, and miscellaneous stuffs are kept, in these boxes. So now coming on to my table. So here is my trimmer, one more trimmer by Dress My Craft, my scoreboard, and these are some of my diaries that I used to I used to write things in this diary, and I love what is written on the cover page. It keeps me motivated. So this is one more journaling book. I haven't used it, it's new, and I'm planning to do something on this. And moving on to these boxes, I got these boxes from Singapore and I just love these boxes. And it has some envelopes, some ready-made cards, my visiting card. So this box, it has magnet over here, so it get closed like this. Now this is one bigger box, so it has all the, okay, so this is also very interesting. So whenever I create something, we usually get left with elements with fuzzy cards, so I used to collect them and I keep them as extras. So this is also from, I think this is from Believe in Magic, and there are some more embellishments, some note cards for baby albums. Okay, some more note cards. This is by Prima, and so this box is basically having all the note cards, okay, and some fuzzy cut elements. What about this box? Okay, this box is having all the new packets of embellishments that I bought. Like these are the ribbons, I got these from Singapore. I just love these, and it has beautiful pink and blue, best for baby albums. And then some frames by Heidi Swap, by Dress My Craft, by Mudra. This 3D fairy flowers. So it has all the new packets, okay. And okay, now this is my laptop. I do all my editing work also in this room, and this is my daily used diary. So I use this a lot, this one, and I have one more register also. I don't have it now, but I use that register also a lot, okay. And water bottle, my hair clip, and this is one beautiful quote. So I keep these things in front of me to keep myself motivated. And this is the basic table lamp I have. I'm planning to get some lights, but due to lockdown I've already shortlisted, but due to lockdown I couldn't purchase it. But this is also good. Whenever I shoot, I switch on this. There is one problem with this light. You can see it's blinking, what to say, not blinking, but you can see the linings that is coming in the video. So I have to adjust my camera a lot while shooting when I switch on this light, so that this line should not come, okay. So this is the one reason I don't like it, but you can adjust it. You can adjust your camera and this light to not get those blinks, okay. And I love these vintage boxes, and I'm sure you're also loving it. So this is beautiful vintage box that I have got from Singapore, and they are really nice, you can see. And this one also. So I have gotten these in 3 colors. So it has all my embellishments I make for when I get free. I make all these things so I can use it whenever I'm keeping it handy, so it is always there so that I can use it. So if we'll go down in this table, so I'll just give you a glimpse of what is kept down. So here is my Big Shot Plus. Here is this orange Ottoman. I used to keep it here to keep my leg on this while working. So I sit on this chair and I keep my legs over there. And there is this one box which has all the leftover papers. So I used to, collect all these papers. I don't throw it. I am keeping it that someday I'll make some journal. So this one packet is having all the leftovers from my baby papers. This is from some, more album. So this basket is having all the leftover papers. And there is this one more basket which is having some paints in it. And now this is my very, very comfortable chair. And I love to hear music while working. So you can see there's this music system, some indoor plants. And so this is how it looks